Good morning, people. So I have started my day. Let me see what happened. Yesterday, you last seen me with my godkids. So yeah, I went home, showed Marlon the footage from earlier on that day in regards to the apartments. He's so with me on the second one. He's just not too excited about the price because it is a little bit higher than what we are paying right now, but it's just a little bit higher than what we're paying right now, and considering all that we are gaining, I don't think it's bad at all. So we're for that one. I'm gonna fill out my application for that and hopefully we can get that, but I'm on my way to view 2 more today, so we will have 5 different ones to review and see if we want to view or whatever. But so far number 2 is in the first place. I hope there's just better luck today with, and yeah, so that's currently what I'm doing right now. I'm just walking to the bus stop to get the bus, and when I get to my first apartment, I'll see you guys. How you guys like this lipstick? Yay or nay?
If you let me be your lover, maybe if you tried, then I would not bother. I know you're trying. I know you're trying.
So that's the living room.
You're going to show that to your other half?
Yes.
You can
Yeah.
book an appointment with me and he can come see you.
The only thing is that he works day and night. Okay. And you said this is the north side?
This is right here.
Hey, pigeons.
Hey, Shui. Shui. Took over, eh?
They definitely did. The storage.
Keep in mind it's not clean or tainted yet, eh?
Yeah, no, for sure. Yes, that's a lot of space. Okay. Oh. All right. So this would be obviously the living room.
Yeah, we have a good view of the Amber River.
Okay. I love the balconies.
Yeah, nice view. It's a new balconies we are doing. In the
Yeah.
renovations.
There's a lot of room too. Okay. And how much are the apartments?
It's a good size.
Yeah.
And then closet, we have the kitchen closet space.
Hey people! So my day pedestrian. You understand? And I clean up my room. Cause I need for clean. You see this? All of these things here? Yeah, it need for clean up. You understand? So me there, I do my thing. Brandy Price. Yo, can't you come visit? Bombard! In a real life. I know you are the bad boy troubadour. My baby, your boom boom tight me, girl, you hold me. That will be along like a closer story. Yeah, anyways, people, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm cleaning up my room before my man comes home because it's Friday and everything's supposed to clean up. But my room for though, I'm gonna have to vacuum, I have to mop, I have dishes for wash, and all these things. I have to go to the store actually. I need sheets and stuff, just stuff in the house, you know what I'm saying? Yes, all of these things. Even though I don't really feel like I should be buying anything if I'm gonna be moving. You know? I feel like it's like a waste of money because then I'm gonna have to buy. But we shall see if there's any good sales in, you know? Can't spend a lot of money for me yard, you understand? That's the only thing I spend my money for. I don't spend money for me. You I go get. You I go get. You guys, I don't know where I got my waist trainer from, so I can't give you a link or anything like that, but see the little youth and you want rob phone. Shit happens. Yeah. I'm letting myself go. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to this. You understand? You want move shaky, you want go get fixed up. Like when a mechanic a deal with a big truck. Food me a pre, me no in a mix up. Food me a pre, me no in a mix up. Coupon, you can't throw these away. Hey, let me pay for me, please.
The skylight clean, them a pray for the fall like rain. Every man have a dream, and a light here. Every day can be the same. The aim for the skylight clean, them a pray for the fall like rain. From me a little you.
Dance all of me, everything.
Hey, I'll crush you and dust you.
Jones Avenue, De La Vega, Portmore, Kingston, Bobby.
Oh, you are dealing with the road, so. Take the food, this and that.
Can't style me, gonna hustle. You're no bad like me, believe me that. I'm no joking king, believe me that.
Never snitch, never be a snitch. Never snitch, never
be a snitch. Never snitch, never be a snitch.
And if the poor not need to be rich now.
Never
left me now. God know we must get better. No, no left me now. God know we must get better. You want left me for your money, man. Look how far me I come from. No, no left me now. God know we must get better.
Stick a bet, woman if you left, let us say you come back again.
I know remember the days when I want thing cause we a eat and gone we bed. You really woulda do me that. After me tell you so me love you girl. Can't buy a Benz and a house for you, but me give you everything when you have.
You don't like me no Facebook picture, you not feel like me. Me no care if I buy like me.
Me not care if I can't like me.
Me a smoke high grade and a drink whiskey.
Me a wine up a body.
People fuck up. People fuck up. Loyalty over royalty. Loyalty over royalty. Then boy, then I know loyalty. Just take care of my dog and sing.
Shoes dirty man, face 90 wide. Me a listen to Mighty Mike.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna clean and finish up, okay? Bye.
What you say, I'm okay. What you say, I'm okay.